Hello teacher, my name is Kung Yui and I am from Group 10. In this video I'm gonna demonstrate how the Appium testing framework works with our eShop mobile app. So first of all, let's talk about the core architectures of Appium. So the way Appium works is you're gonna have an Appium server that will run locally on the machine, and we can write some test scripts in multiple languages, for example JavaScript or Python, and these scripts can make a request to the Appium server, and the Appium server can talk to the native OS level bindings, for example Android or iOS. So the key ideas here is the client and the server, they share the same protocol. It was the W3C WebDriver protocol, so it's independent of the Android or iOS here. So we can write the same test script for whatever platform. It's gonna be platform agnostic. So yeah, that's the core ideas of Appium. To show a demo, I have prepared myself a emulator here that's running the eShop mobile app. And the next step is to start the Appium server. And then the server is already running. I have also prepared some test script here for Appium in this config file. So this is the config file for Appium. Here we have the Appium server port is talking to, and this is the test script written in this file and in JavaScript languages. This is the definition for the low-level mobile. In this case, it's Android, and here are some specs. And this is the engine it used for the interaction from Appium to the Android, which is the UI Automator 2. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So to run the script, I run nbx this command right here. And it should reload the app and start a test. So the test case for this is you're gonna open the registration screen, and then you're gonna try the password validator logics of the app. So there's a weak password and a strong password. This is the weak password case. And then it restart to try out the strong password case. Yeah, it should be pass, and this is a report for the test case. Yeah, opens the registration screen from home, reject weak password, and try with a strong password and register successfully. For the next step, I'm gonna show how the script works. Yeah, so this is the test script. So I have made some helper function over the Appium layer to kind of make it easier. So this is how I describe a test case. Open the registration screen from home. It will call open register function and wait for this label to show up in the UI, and this is the reject a weak password case. So it's gonna do this is so it will target each form of the UI and set a value for it. and this is the strong password case. So inside these helper functions, we have this kind of selector logics for the Android UI element. We have get the element by text, or get an element by text that contains a certain string, and tab text. I think that's pretty much sum up our demo for the Appium testing framework. So the core ideas is we can use Appium without worrying about the lower layer like Android or iOS. We just use the same script, the same test script here, and change the config in the config file. We can change it to like iOS and have different setup and run the same test suite, and it should work. Yeah, that's it.